The manual gear shifter is here. Your vehicle will have 5 gears plus reverse. On the top of the gear shifter there is a diagram outlining where your gears are. To engage reverse, press the clutch fully down and then move the gear lever fully to the right and pull it back. Reverse should only be engaged when you're stationary and it is safe to do so. Depending on your model and trim, your instrument panel may provide you with gear shift recommendations, such as when to shift up or down a gear. This is only a suggestion, and changing gear should only be done if the road conditions are suitable. Your handbrake is located here. To lock the handbrake and keep your vehicle stationary, pull the lever up. To unlock the handbrake, pull the lever up slightly and press the release button to slowly lower the lever fully. If the vehicle is moving and the handbrake remains applied or not fully released, a warning lamp will appear on your instrument panel. There will also be an audible signal.
Citroën.